Hello, everybody. Today, actually, I have a specific subject for my video. I just have a question. What do you think about one of the best internet company in the world? You know, I don't know about in the world, but in United States, one of the best one is supposed to be AT&T. Actually, it has really historical, you know, in the United States. I don't know how long, maybe 100 years. I know many things in technology changed by this company. So, but there is a but that make me surprised. That but, you know, recently I changed my contract with AT&T. I had a contract with AT&T, and I used that, and that was good. But I see another actually option for that contract, so I choose that one, and then apply for that, and the technician called me, and he says he will come to check the cables, all those things. And I told him, okay, just come and see what you can do. At the night when I arrive, I see these cables like this. You can see, and I show it to you. It just come from here. So is that one. So I see that cable, and I thought the technician forget to take it out, but when I check, I see he just disconnect the underground cable and then run this cable over my yard, and just leave it like this. That is very surprising me, it's unbelievable. AT&T doing something like that is awful, that shows me, the future of the United States, just look at that. And I called them. That is the interesting thing. I called them, and then the technician says, yeah, they will come and then fix it for you. It's just temporary. But what do you think about temporary? It's almost 2 months. It's exciting. That is interesting. That's right. It's 2 months. It's temporary. I don't know what the meaning of temporary. Maybe the meaning of temporary is change. I didn't know that. So you just leave the cable like this in my yard, and I don't know what I have to do, but I just want to share this to you guys to see what is our future. Okay, God bless you. Have a great day.